Hi, this is Monica from Knitted Wishes. Today I would like to show you how I knit the 1/2 right crossed cable with and without a cable needle. Now I like to use double pointed needles as I find it a little easier to slip the stitches on and off. Using your double pointed needle, slip off the first 2 stitches purlwise. Now place the double pointed needle in the back of your work. And knit through the first stitch on your left hand needle. Slip it off. Now pick up your double pointed needle and knit the 2 stitches. Slip it off, the second stitch, and slip it off. And you have a 1/2 right crossed cable. Now one more time. Slip off the first 2 stitches purlwise. Place the double pointed needle in the back of your work. Knit through the first stitch on your left hand needle. Slip it off. Now pick up your double pointed needle and knit the 2 stitches. First one, slip it off, second, and slip it off. And you have a 1/2 right crossed cable. This is how I knit the 1/2 right crossed cable without using a cable needle. With your right hand needle, knit through the 3rd stitch on your left hand needle, leaving the first 2 stitches on the needle. Now knit through the first stitch on the left hand needle, slip it off, knit through the second stitch on the left hand needle, slip it off, and now you have a 1/2 right crossed cable. Now one more time. Knit through the 3rd stitch on your left hand needle, leaving the first 2 stitches on the needle. Knit through the first stitch on the left hand needle, slip it off, knit through the second stitch on the left hand needle, slip it off, and now you have a 1/2 right crossed cable. Now I'm going to show you another way of working the 1/2 right crossed cable without using a cable needle. Bring the working yarn to the front, slip the next 2 stitches off purlwise, bring the working yarn to the back, knit the next stitch on your left hand needle. Now with your left hand needle, go into the backs of the 2 stitches you previously slipped, so the 2nd and 3rd stitch on your right hand needle. Now we're going to remove the right hand needle from these 3 stitches. Now we have to be careful not to drop this stitch as it will no longer be on a needle. So let's hold these 3 together and carefully remove the right hand needle. Now we're going to go into this stitch here purlwise, like this, and we're going to knit the 2 stitches on the left hand needle to complete the 1/2 right crossed cable, like this. Now let's try this one more time. Bring the working yarn forward, slip the next 2 stitches purlwise, bring the working yarn to the back, knit the next stitch on your left hand needle, insert your left hand needle into the backs of the 2nd and 3rd stitch on your right hand needle, the stitches you previously slipped. Now holding the 3 stitches with your left hand, carefully remove the right hand needle and insert it into the 3rd stitch on your left hand needle purlwise. like this, and knit the next 2 stitches on your left hand needle.